In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out your Netflix account on a device remotely. So if you had used a foreign device, maybe in a hotel or a cyber cafe, or you had used a neighbor's device to log into your Netflix account, maybe a computer or a smartphone, and you can no longer access that device to log out, then let me show you how you can log out remotely. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to do this, go ahead and log into your Netflix account on your computer or on your phone. And once you are here, head over to your profile. From this, choose account, and under account, head to devices here. And you'll see we have an option under account devices to access and devices. We are told manage signed in and devices. So if I click on this, you can see we have quite a number of devices that my Netflix account is signed on to. One of them is this PC on Firefox web browser and another one on Android smartphone. So for this, it is an Android smartphone that I own. However, this is a computer that I used elsewhere. I'll have to sign out of this. So I'll go ahead and click on drop down arrow here and click on sign out. However, if you want to sign out of all the other devices, choose the last option, sign out of all devices. For my case, I only want to sign out of these. So I'll click on sign out. And now we are told the device is now signed out. Now, if I go back, now you can see we have only 2 gadgets that my Netflix account is signed on. So that's how you can sign out of device remotely on Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.